applications in the real world. Logistic regression finds real-world applications in various domains, from healthcare and finance to marketing and technology. Here's an example showcasing its power. Example: credit card fraud detection. Imagine you're a financial institution aiming to identify fraudulent credit card transactions. Each transaction has features like amount spent, location, time of day, card type, and merchant category. You want to classify each transaction as either fraudulent or legitimate. Applying logistic regression. 1. Data collection. Gather historical transaction data with labels marking fraudulent and legitimate transactions. 2. Feature engineering. Extract relevant features from the data like high spending compared to user averages, unusual locations, and suspicious merchant categories. 3. Model training. Train a logistic regression model on the labeled data, using the features as the independent variables and the fraud, legitimate label as the dependent variable. 4. Prediction and detection. Once trained, the model can analyze new transactions based on their features and predict the probability of them being fraudulent. Transactions exceeding a certain probability threshold can be flagged for further investigation or immediate blocking. Benefits of logistic regression. Interpretability. Unlike some black box models, logistic regression provides insights into which features most influence fraud prediction. This helps banks focus on targeted anti-fraud strategies. Fast and efficient. Compared to complex algorithms, logistic regression trains and predicts quickly, making it suitable for real-time fraud detection systems. Adaptability. The model can be easily updated with new data and changing fraud patterns, ensuring its effectiveness over time. Additional applications. Medical diagnosis. Predicting the risk of a disease based on patient data. Customer churn prediction. Identifying customers likely to discontinue a service. Email spam filtering. Classifying emails as spam or legitimate. Click-through rate prediction. Estimating the likelihood of a user clicking on an ad. Logistic regression, while not the most complex algorithm, remains a powerful tool for diverse real-world tasks due to its simplicity, interpretability, and efficiency. Understanding its applications like the credit card fraud example sheds light on its vast potential in various domains.